Hey, are you looking for a great shower for aging in place? Here is a project that we finished a while back, and I just love the gray shower with the blues and teal colors in the accent deco tiles in this shower. Updated walk-in shower? Yes, we can do that for you. It's a great option for aging in place. Our client had an original master bath that was functional, however, didn't address mobility and safety issues as they were beginning to get older. They wanted to remove the dated tub for a new updated walk-in shower that would meet their needs as they aged, and decided while they were at it to go ahead and update the entire bathroom so it was more functional and reflected their style. It's demo time, one of our favorite times. The guys got right to work, took out the toilet, got that tub out, and as you can see, it's kind of messy in that space right now. They wanted a no-curb shower, so the cement slab had to be jackhammered so the shower would be able to drain correctly and have the correct slope. This way, we didn't have water going in other areas of the bathroom. A curbless shower. The new plumbing has been installed and the crew is preparing the floor for the new cement that's going to need to be poured. Once that was poured and cured, we were ready for the Schluter waterproof system to be installed and prepped. Time for float test Fred, our favorite thing. And now you can see our tiling person lays the tile out in the design that has been chosen, just to make sure everything's going to line up correctly and going to look like the vision our client has. Here, the shower's ready to begin the tiling. Wow, that looks so awesome. It's looking really good. Look at that niche. Use that tile in there, made it vertical. Look at the before and after, from red and white to a more soothing green and gray. Look at the cabinet and sink afterwards. The lighting, the new mirrors. They went from one sink to two sinks. That's awesome in a master bath. An awesome looking walk-in shower that is gorgeous, functional, and safe. And again, that deco tile really makes a statement. You can see they installed a seat that folds up, so it's out of the way when it's not being used. And I believe that's teak wood there. It's what you want to use in a shower. Thanks for joining us today.